Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The number of people working in Jamaica soared to a new high in January. The data were released by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica earlier today. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
Unemployment rate is now at 8%. That's a new low for Jamaica. It's a result of the almost 30,000 new jobs created over the period January 2018 to January 2019. Youth unemployment is also down to a record low of 21.8%. But where are the thousands of new jobs being created? The data show that most are in low-paying jobs.
And the occupations that had the largest increases were clerks, up 12,800. The group that we call professionals, senior officials and technicians, up 6,900. And the elementary occupations, up 6,100.
For example, the new jobs are in occupations like hotel receptionists, car washers and street vendors. The data also show that there's a decline in agricultural jobs, an indication that trends in the agricultural industry are changing.
It's a large contributor to employment, so maybe it is that the Jamaican economy, the structure is shifting, and so persons are moving to other industries. Trending over the years, though, when you look at it, employment in agriculture has been trending down.
Statin also pointed out that although more men have found jobs, the number of employed females was more than twice that of males. And for the males who did find jobs, most found work in the security forces, while more females have found new jobs in real estate and the hotel and restaurant services. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, Statin says inflation increased by 0.8% last month. The increase was driven by higher food, electricity and oil prices. It brought the fiscal year-to-date inflation to 3.4%. The March outturn was a well-needed uptick in consumer prices, but still not enough to meet the Bank of Jamaica's target of between 4 and 6%. In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar continued to slide today. The US dollar is now selling for $133.78. The Canadian dollar closed at $101.15. The pound went for $173.49, while the euro ended the day at $149.80. Now, the JSE index gained 2,492 points today. The junior market index declined by 11 points. Among today's winners, Jamaica Broilers Group, Fosrich, Carib Cement, Lasco Financial Services, and Stanley Motor. On the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, there they are, KLE Group, Lasco Manufacturing, and Caribbean Producers Jamaica. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.